Let's turn these overripe bananas into delicious, wholesome banana oats muffins. Hi, welcome back to Gakii's kitchen. Let's sweep up these irresistible treats. Grab 2 or 3 ripe bananas and mash them in a bowl. The riper the bananas are, the better. They will add some natural sweetness to our muffins. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/3 cup of oil or melted butter. Mix it all up until it's well combined. Adjust the sugar depending on how ripe your bananas are and your preferred sweetness. Add 1 egg and mix it in. To make the buttermilk, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to a 1/3 cup of fresh milk. The acidity will provide a tangy flavor to balance out the sweetness and activate the baking soda, which will make the butter rise. Mix that in for the milk to curdle and add it to the wet ingredients. Mix that until they are all well combined. That looks perfect. For the dry ingredients, you will need 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together until they are well combined. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Add half at a time and gently fold it in without over mixing. The oats will add a wonderful texture and they will make the muffins a healthier choice. You can add in some chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruits. Feel free to get creative. It's all about personalizing your muffins. Our butter is now ready. Line the muffin tin with some paper liners. Scoop the butter and fill each cup about 2/3 full. This batter will make about 10 to 12 muffins depending on how large your paper liners are. Top that up with some oats or any toppings of your choice. This part is totally optional. Pop them into a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 22 minutes. You can use a toothpick to check if they are ready. When the toothpick comes out clean, they are ready. Let the muffins cool on the tray for a bit, then place them on the surface or wire rack to cool completely before digging in. These look perfect and have an irresistible aroma. I can't wait for you to try making them. They are super soft and taste very delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Check out this banana cupcake recipe. I'm sure you'll love it. Until next time, bye.